Hello, let's talk about Mote. Today we'll be looking at a unique feature of Google Slides and how to use it. It's a Chrome extension that adds voice to presentations. You will be using this to complete our course welcome assignment. Mote can be used with Google Slides, Google Documents, and Google Classroom. We will be looking at how to add it to Google Slides today. I hope you're aware that you have full access to the Google Suite through your Stockton Google account. Bear with me if you're aware, but if you're not, I'll show you where to find those tools. On your main Stockton page here, if you click on the mail icon, that will take you to your Stockton Mail account. On the upper right corner of your mail account, you will see these set of dots. That's your access, if you click on that, to your full set of Google tools. So when you click on those dots, it opens you up to all your tools. Let's take a look at that on my account. Okay. So here we are at my Stockton homepage. If I click on my mail icon, it's going to take me right to my account with my email address. I'm going to click on the dots, and I have my whole array of Google tools. So you can definitely get to slides from there to create slide presentations. So now you know where your Google tools are. Let's take a look at adding Mote as an extension. Extensions are unique tools that you can use when you're on your Chrome browser. The free version of Mote is adequate for our purposes. So you're going to go to this website at the top, just Mote Me, and it will take you to a screen like this. And you're going to click on the button that says Add to Chrome. There's a little video here, very short 1-minute video, when you go to that screen if you're at all unsure of how to add that Chrome extension. Once you've added the extension, you're going to see this little purple Mote icon at the top right side of the page on any of your Google products. Can we give it a try? Sure, let's do that. Okay, I'm going to switch from my presentation view to my design view so we can go through and make a slide together in case you've never done this before. First thing we're going to want to do is come up to the area with the plus sign to add a slide. Hit the down arrow so you can pick the version that you want. Probably be easiest to start with a blank slide. Now you'll notice in this set of slides I have already added a green background to all of the slides. In the project, in the assignment that you'll be doing for class, there will be no backgrounds added. You certainly can add your own or leave it blank. That is your choice. But if you'd like to add a background, you would hit the background button. You can choose a color, or you can choose an image that you've uploaded. Now mine is saying added to theme because I've added a theme for all of theirs, but yours will say just add to slide. That's what you're going to want to do. You don't want to change the background of everybody's slide for this assignment, just yours. For our demonstration purposes, I'm just going to leave this green background. So for our assignment, and we'll go over the requirements, but we want to have at least one image. We want to have our name, our major, our graduation year, and some fun facts about ourselves. And then we'll be adding a Mote. So if you did have a background, you might want to add a shape to kind of frame your work. So I click the shape button. Now I have a large white rectangle here. I can change the color to any color that I want by hitting the little bucket. Give me a whole array of colors. Maybe I like that light green color. If I hit the little pencil, that's going to be a border. Maybe I'll give it a black border. and that'll give me a nice frame for my work. To insert a picture, I'm going to hit Insert. I'm going to select Image, and I have an image saved on my computer, so I'm going to upload it from the computer. You could also search the web and find pictures from the web as well. Now it's turning out to be quite large, and I don't want it to be that big. So what I'm going to do is grab one of the corners and just bring it down a little bit. If I only wanted part of this picture, I could hit the little crop icon and, maybe take out that girl. So that I've added a picture. Now we need to add our name and our major and all of that. So you're going to need a text box. If you're clicking Insert, you can click Text Box, or you can click on the text box from your toolbar. Just draw our box where our typing can go. You can change the font here to an array of fonts. You can change the size of the type here. So that's where you can type out your information. And now we're going to add a mote so that we can tell the class what name we want to be called and how to pronounce it. Now remember, we said once the Mote has been added as a Chrome extension, it's going to appear on your Google products. There's my little Mote symbol. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to put this little box that I can move anywhere I want here. So I'm going to click on the little purple icon, and that will start my recording right away. Here's my recording. I'm going to continue talking until I'm done. When I'm done, I will click the icon again, and it will stop. It's saying it's thinking. Now it's ready to insert. Before I insert it, I can check it. If I don't like it, I can toss it and start over. If I do like it, I'll click Insert, and it's going to say, hold on a moment. The audio is being created, and there it is. When you click on the Mote, your formatting options will open up on the side. Right now, I have it set so that you have to click the button in order for the recording to start. That's probably best because when things start automatically, it's a little annoying, but if that's the way you want to do it, you certainly can do that. So for our purposes, probably have your recording stop when someone is advancing to the next slide. There's other things that you can do to your Mote. You can change the size, the position. You can change the color of your Mote. And let me make it that color. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a look at our assignment. This is how it will look in Blackboard. You're going to be contributing to our welcome slide set, which is a Google document slide that you all have editing rights to as long as you're using your Stockton email address. Please come back after you add your slides and take a look at other students' slides. And guess what? If you really want to get fancy, you can add Motes to other students' slides in response. Now, that's not mandatory, but it might be something fun if you'd like to try that out. That's it. I hope you really have some fun with this. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you by checking out what you're doing on our welcome slides.